US stock market has got back on track following a plunge on Monday. The global blackout on Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram has been fixed. The burning issue of raising the ceiling of the US federal debt is taking a back seat for a while. The question has been postponed until December 3. Meanwhile, soaring inflation in the United States requires drastic moves from the Federal Reserve. Let's try to figure out whether the correction is over in Wall Street. Today, the ADP payroll processor reported that the US private sector employed 586,000 Americans in September. That is the biggest growth for 3 months. This is good news ahead of the official employment data. Besides, robust hiring paves the way to steady economic growth. The US key stock indexes have performed solid support levels. The S&P 500 gained 1% to trade at 4,345 points. The expected corridor for the index is seen between 4,260 and 4,440 points for quite a long time. Analysts do not foretell any sharp drops. The US dollar index has halted its advance, trading sideways between 93 and 80 and 94 and 40. According to the chart, the index is consolidating at elevated levels. Experts say this indicates that global investors are still betting on the US dollar's strength, albeit on condition of extra fundamental factors. At the moment, a minor technical correction is expected towards 94 and 20 or a bit lower. The US dollar is unlikely to grow against its Canadian rival, at least in the short term. The rally of oil prices is winding down the USD CAD pair. An acute shortage of oil is posing a threat to the global economic recovery. Oil is trading firmly higher, neglecting the downward correction in the stock markets. Currently, the USD CAD pair is trading at near 1.2590, but it could slip to the lower border of the trading range between 1.2500 and 1.2650. The crypto market has got its second wind, having surpassed the expected target of $50,000 or $51,000. Bitcoin has just reached a more impressive high of $54,300. To reinforce the bullish trade, the digital token has to consolidate above the level of $50,000. Let me warn you that altcoins are overshadowed by Bitcoin, which is winning favor with investors. So, it would be wise to trade altcoins cautiously. To sum up, the US stock market confirmed that the domestic economy maintains momentum, while the US non-farm payrolls that are due on Friday cement investors' optimism. We will see it soon. On Tuesday, Wall Street closed with a steady gains propelled by rising Microsoft and Apple stocks. Besides, investors are pleased about ADP National Employment Report. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.